We neither feel nor see the air around us. Does it mean the air is weightless? The following experiment helps you to find out the answer. In this experiment, we need a balloon, some coloured clay, a long ruler, a piece of string, a roll of tape, and some pins. First, blow the balloon up and tie a knot. Stick a 3 centimetre long piece of tape near the knot. Then place the balloon and the coloured clay on either side of the ruler. Fix the string to the edge of the table and hang the ruler. Adjust the amount of the clay on the ruler to balance the ruler. Make sure the ruler is not in contact with any objects. Now, poke a hole in the balloon where the tape is stuck with a pin. Release the air slowly. See? The ruler cannot keep its balance now. Do you know why? It is because the air has weight. When the air is released from the balloon becomes lighter. Therefore, the side with the clay becomes heavier and drops. For every square centimetre on the Earth, there is about 1 kilogram of air in weight.